Good afternoon, Namaskar, Vanakkam. My name is T.S. Sudhir and you're watching Study with Sudhir, your favorite digital classroom, the platform you can trust. The Mota headline is coming from the Supreme Court. The Supreme Court has disposed of the petition which had been filed seeking a hybrid mode of board examinations of the CBSE as well as the ICSE, ISC. They had said that the examinations should be held both online and offline. However, the two-judge bench of Justice Khanvilkar and Justice Ravi Kumar said that at this belated stage, it will not be apt to intervene and disturb the ongoing examination process, and therefore the writ petition cannot be entertained. Let me quickly translate this into Hindi. जो दो जज की बेंच थी, जस्टिस खानविलकर और जस्टिस रवि कुमार ने कहा कि इस स्टेज पर हम इस बारे में इंटरवीन नहीं कर सकते हैं एंड पूरा जो एग्जामिनेशन की जो प्रक्रिया ऑलरेडी शुरू हो गई है उसको इस समय पर डिस्टर्ब करना ठीक नहीं होगा एंड देयरफॉर इस रिट पिटीशन को इस समय पर एंटरटेन नहीं किया जा सकता। तो इस रिट पिटीशन को डिस्पोज ऑफ कर दिया है सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने और इसका मतलब है सभी विद्यार्थियों के लिए, सीबीएसई और आईसीएसई आईएससी के लिए, कि आपकी एग्जाम्स, आपकी जो परीक्षाएं ऑफलाइन मोड में कंडक्ट की जाएंगी. योर एग्जामिनेशंस विल बी कंडक्टेड इन द ऑफलाइन मोड इन द फिजिकल फॉर्मेट at your examination center, right? I hope this is loud and clear. Now, what happened inside the court? Let me tell you about that. The bench quoted the Solicitor General, Tushar Mehta. I had told this to you in a video last night that Tushar Mehta is going to represent the CBSE. He assured the court that the number of CBSE exam centers had been increased from 6,500 to 15,000 and that would enable better social distancing. Earlier, 40 students used to be accommodated inside one room in the examination center. Now there will be only 12, thereby ensuring social distancing. The court also noted that the exam time had been reduced and all the COVID protocols will be followed, and that the Solicitor General had personally assured the court about this. Now, what happened before that? Arguing on behalf of the petitioners, Mr. Sanjay Hegde said that the COVID pandemic is not yet over and therefore it would be premature to say that we can have physical examinations. कि पैंडेमिक अभी पूरी तरह से खत्म नहीं हुआ है तो इस समय पर फिजिकल एग्जामिनेशंस को कराना बिल्कुल ठीक नहीं होगा. And he said whenever there is a large gathering, a congregation of people, the virus can transmit. And he added that parents accompany children and therefore there will be crowding. And these children live with people with comorbidities, essentially senior citizens. तो संजय हेगड़े ने कहा कि हाइब्रिड मॉडल को कंटिन्यू कराना चाहिए. उस पर तुषार मेहता ने कहा कि पिछले साल कोई भी हाइब्रिड मॉडल नहीं था. ओके. Solicitor General also said that to make it online now will be tough. The exams were notified on the 14th of October, but the petitioners have come so late. So finally, the Supreme Court ने कहा, पूरी बात को सुन के संजय हेगड़े की बात सुनी, तुषार मेहता की बात सुनी और उसके बाद सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने कहा कि लेट अस बी प्रैक्टिकल. हाउ कैन एग्जाम्स बी मेड ऑनलाइन? एंड दैट्स समथिंग व्हिच वी हैव बीन सेइंग राइट फ्रॉम द बिगिनिंग. ऑनलाइन एग्जामिनेशंस इन द प्रेजेंट सर्कमस्टांसेस इज नॉट practically feasible. And he also said one more thing, the bench, the judges, that last year's practice must be discouraged of doing away with the examinations. So that is the gist of what all happened inside the courtroom today, right? So the big message for all you students out there is please get back to your books. You people have lost too much of time, have wasted too much of time spending time here and there listening to all kinds of unverified gossip, I would say, because all of that was unsubstantiated, unverified opinion pieces intended to mislead you, to incite you, to give you a ray of hope. So my request to you is please go back to your books now. You have listened enough to people with ulterior motives. And I think all those people deserve to answer why were they misleading students all along. What was their motive? What was their aim? What was their intention? These people have really been unmasked today. Okay? So my best wishes with you. Please get back to your books. Please focus. Please concentrate. You do not have even a moment to waste. Thank you very much for watching.